STSS is so volatile this morning. This is Monday, the 25th of August, 2025. It's up 76.75%. At some point, the gain, it printed highs of around 17.94. That will make it, more than 100% gain. More than 100% gain. Yeah, around 110% gain or thereabout. Let's see how active this market is. Let's see how active or aggressive. I think it's aggression. You can see the tiny slots going on there. Ones and ones. You see very tiny figures going there. And also bear in mind this the stock has a very low float. Very low float. This is how aggressive the market is for the stock now. And remember, as of the 19th of March, it was there was a massive rock pull on the stock. Was it March? It looks like July, as a matter of fact. Something happened again in July. Let's see what happened here. 5.84 down to 4.87. Sometime in March, they had a massive rock pull. Let's have a look. Sometime in March, 19th of March or thereabouts. Yeah, that's it here. Yeah. Sorry, is it January? No. But before then, they had the rock pull. Yeah, I can see here, and the company has done a reverse split to correct this anomaly. That's why we're looking at prices like 550 from this was let's see now. This is 22nd of January, and this is 28th of January. So a couple of just roughly weeks trading went from 569 all the way down to 110. So yeah, just be careful with this one. Just be careful. Aggressive, aggressive, and liquidity is not so wonderful. So yeah, the stock is trending after a sharp price surge. Obviously, so that put the spotlight on its low float and elevated borrowing costs. Conditions that many traders see as ripe for a potential short squeeze. The stock's momentum has been further fueled by a recent shipment update tied to a significant supply agreement, which investors view as a key milestone for revenue growth and long-term stability. Community charter reflects a split in sentiment. Optimists argue that Sharp's cash position, strengthening fundamentals, and progress in fulfilling contracts provide a solid base for continued upside. On the other hand, skeptics remain wary, pointing to the stock's volatile price action, dilution risk, and uncertainties surrounding execution in the competitive medical device market. Attention is also turning towards the upcoming annual meeting, where proposals concerning share authorization and corporate governance will be decided. Many believe the results could play a pivotal role in shaping investor confidence, particularly around the company's ability to balance growth ambitions with shareholder value. Yeah. So let's have a look at the 4 hour chart. Yeah, so that if you didn't get the clear here, if you didn't get it clear, it's much clearer here. Yeah, so strength is expected to remain in place up till midday today, and then after that, a sharp plunge is expected. A V plunge is expected to play out and remain in place up till Tuesday's pre-market session, and then after that, maybe the upside may resume again. Yeah, no guarantee that that will be the case. We have 6.51, 7.14, 7.54, but we have already seen 17.90. So that's an upper projection, 17.90. Obviously, the stock has ample upside room, given that it has the underlying trend is underlying trend. Let's have a look. Given that its underlying trend is a bearish one, so you can imagine that there is a huge upside potential here. We have 223.73, 191.59, 139.56. Obviously, largely down to the fact that he had yeah, reverse splits. So currently in place 6.97. Yeah, so let's return to the 4 hour chart. Okay, so the 4 hour chart, let's see what's going on. Price pressure momentum. Yeah, you can see that very severely, seriously bullish, seriously in a very strong trend mode. You can see the angle of attack is almost 90 degrees. So this will, skyrocket. It will just, yeah, it was, but however, we have fractional second derivatives and a negative second derivative here. In other words, this trend hasn't gone that far enough. It hasn't gone that far enough. Yeah, that's why we'll probably have a rejection being extrapolated by midday of today's trading session. Yeah, but the trend mode on the 10 and 21 period moving averages are serious in a are in very strong trend modes, very strong trend modes. Yeah, but the foundation is they're not sitting on a very strong base as such. Yeah, so expect a pullback to occur. That is what is the Argos are projecting as well. So let's see, aggression still very much in play here. Yeah, aggression still very much in play. So it's giving up the gains that ran up. Yeah, yeah, seriously pumped. I mean, given that it has a low float, every spike like this would be looking like a pump. Okay, let's have a look over here on the 1 minute chart. So we have 17.9 here. Let's see whether we have anything of the like here. 17.42, yes, we do. 17.42 currently in play. It's been reiterated for some time now. But the momentum there, just like we saw in the 4 hour chart, momentum is has lost. It's losing steam. Yeah. So everything is negative now on this 1 minute chart. Not that it's going to be of much use. So just to give you an impression that yeah, it has decayed. Yeah, or that validating the fact that it has decayed. The momentum has lost its edge. Let's look at a 3 minute chart. 3 minute chart, 17.42 as well, 7.32. Let's look at a 5 minute chart. 17.42 only. Yeah. 10 minute chart, 9.54. Yeah. Okay, so just see what you make of STSS. It's a highly risky stock, very highly risky, and just be careful. I will continue to update you. Thank you very much for watching this video.